Hey guys, what's up? Hi, welcome to the Citizen Mentors. My name is Ketan. A lot of people have been asking me, sir, we are not sure about the number of questions, and that is something really freaking us out. What we should do because number of questions are zaruri hai. So guys, to be very honest, my school of thought is it is really not important to even know how many questions are going to be there. I'll tell you why. Let me kind of give you a justification. Number one, सबसे important चीज है that we got to know what is the time period, and we know that luckily, right? Which is like 40 minutes per section and 2 hours for the entire paper. Now, even if we know that there are going to be 76 questions or there are going to be 68 questions, we will not be able to judge level of difficulty of the paper. That is number one. We will not be able to prejudge or have an understanding before the paper कि arithmetic में इतना आएगा, RC में इतना आएगा, इतना डे आएगा, सेट्स आएगा. We can't do that. That's number two. And number three, the most important of all, guys, nobody attempts the entire paper. It is always good. I mean, yeah, you can say that we might get a lot of options where we can leave the questions. That is absolutely fine. But understand this: even the 99.99 percentiler or the 100 percentilers, even they do not attempt the entire paper, right? So having no idea about number of questions does not matter. The only thing that you should do on a day when you start the section towards your right, you will be able to see how many questions are going to be there. But this by looking at the number, will you be able to understand the level of difficulty? No, you can't. So what you have to do is you have to go with your own pace. जितना तुम्हारा क्वेश्चंस बनता है उतना तुम करना चालू करो. Maybe 90% टाइलर या फिर 95% टाइलर का जो बच्चा है वो 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन करता है 40 मिनट में, और 99% टाइलर है वो 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन करता है 20 मिनट में, राइट? तो जैसे आपका स्पीड होगा वैसे आपको एलओडी पता चलेगी और वैसे आप आगे आगे बढ़ोगे. तो नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अगर आपको पता भी नहीं है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपने उतने ही क्वेश्चन करने हैं जिसके बारे में आप श्योर हो, राइट? एंड दिस इज टू अंडरस्टैंड. Now, on the other hand, what you have to do on a DD is you have to benchmark 2021 का पेपर with the previous years of paper. कि क्वाड क्या लेवल पे आया है, VARC क्या लेवल पे है, DLR क्या लेवल पे, is DLR on 17 का लेवल, is DLR on 20 का लेवल, is Quant on 19, 18, 20 का लेवल. Then you can get a rough idea. You know what? कि यार 8 क्वेश्चन पे लास्ट ईयर अगर 92% बना था क्वांट्स में, मे बी इस बारी 8 क्वेश्चन पे मिनिमम 90 तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, या फिर ज्यादा हो गया तो 95 बन सकता है, राइट? और अगर बहुत अच्छा होगा और बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन बच्चों ने अच्छा कर लिया, पेपर अगर बहुत ज्यादा इजी आया 2020 से तो 85 भी बन सकता है. इजी आया तो, पेपर टफ आया तो 95 जाएगा. तो ये थोड़ा सा आइडिया होना आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट मैटर्स अ लॉट. सो यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू बी देयर. What is important is, given you X number of questions, how many questions you can do in the 40 minutes. I think that's the most important thing, and this is exactly what you need to keep in mind on the D-Day. तो number of questions पता नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, चलेगा. 20 आए, 25 आए, 26 आए, section wise doesn't matter. My number is around about 66 से लेके 68. That is what I believe. I think it's a good range, by the way. And again, as I said, that they want to, they really want students to solve the paper, and they want to give per question a little bit more time than 2020. We can expect around about 66-68 questions, but having not knowing the number of questions doesn't really matter. You focus on your studies, और ये चीज करना जो मैंने आपको बताया D-Day पे, it will help you guys. That's it from my side. I'll be making a couple of more videos. There are D-Day strategy का video coming up. The analysis video is also going to be there on the 28th of November. So kindly stay tuned to Citizen Mentors and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.